Alright, we're playing catch up. Going through the war zone here. Uh-oh. Messy Pressy's logging service. I bet you did.
Got up, I'm like, uh-oh. I see the tracks turning around.
Alright, Preston and I took a few pokes at this hill, but Connor said there's a drainage to the right of us. We're going to take the easy way up. Sketchy. Let's hear Spoolio. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He took the cheater line. Circle back, make sure Preston makes it up. There we go. Alright, all done lunch. Got to sit in the nice sun. Now we're gonna drop back down that chute, which I am not excited for. And then kind of circle around there and see if we can ride more trees. sled to fall into the hill and lose it. It was beautiful though. Alright, well that wasn't near as bad as I thought it was going to be. Just need to build some confidence. We're going to let Messy Pressy go first, so I don't slide into him. Wicked. That wasn't too bad. Got myself all worried for nothing. The trick to coming down these hills is to just use your brake just enough to not walk up the track. Use some engine braking. It really helps. You're good? Well, I think I hear him.
Hey Liam, where'd you go? I got a little hung up at the start there. Just coming in now. Is Conrad with you? He was close by, yeah.
I'm ahead of Liam right now. I'm just waiting for him.
It's changing my lens. I can't see.
Very nice. Oh yeah. That was weird. My pants just blew open. I probably hit them off a tree or something. Hello, anybody on?
Is that Conrad?
Yeah, I'll go ahead for Conrad.
Where are you?
I'm kind of down in the drainage. I poked up, but I don't know where your tracks go from there.
Straight up it.
Okay, I'll just come up.
Make sure you get a lot of momentum at it.
Hey, I see your tracks now. I'll come up.
Send it.
That was a pull. Just steaming. Trying to cool off. Boys are working on the poo. Everything's junk, eh? Which wires are you trying to?
It says my PTO side and fuel injector shorted / grounded.
Huh. I don't think you can keep it going or get it out.
It's not even bigger.
Well, it's too late in the day. Liam's walking. Got his sled parked there. Hopefully there's enough room to get a helicopter in tomorrow morning. Or tomorrow whenever they can get to us. So Liam's going to double ride out with Presto. What a show. Maybe I'll let them go first so I can watch them. This is hilarious. Look at his hair flopping. He's not making it easy on you guys.
I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Here, I'll walk the next hill. Dude,
Go.
dude.
What you should do is go through there like 5 times, make a trail.
I almost held on.
Almost.
Got that down nice. Something nice to walk on.
Yeah. Nice and hard packed for ya.
Or you put it through their backpack loop, but you don't have one. I'm gonna have a heart attack.
That grab handle would be very convenient
Yeah,
right now.
we can. Yeah, you can double up on
Or
mine.
that
I got a
one,
grab
yeah.
handle.
Who's got something to drink?
I walked up one hill and I was dead.
Oof, I'm out of shape. That really puts it into perspective.
Well, that wasn't good.
That might be cooked.
What? What a joke!
Conrad sled sounds poop.
That's it, less than 300 miles on her. Pooched. Fucking right, kick it harder. Thanks, Connor. Well, we switched sleds. Preston's towing me now. Up and away! He got pretty low in between those trees. That was that was wicked. Look at your sled, man. Air cab, bro. Yeah, buddy.